Hey guys, 100 subscribers today, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm very happy to welcome you all in this video here today, guys. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I'm celebrating my first 100 subscribers, and all the thanks goes to you guys for supporting me in this journey from 0 to 100 subscribers. And that journey has been really challenging and sometimes demotivating, but yeah, so with all of your support, I am here right now, and I am very pleased to tell you that I will do a little challenge for you. For this challenge, if you want to participate, you're going to have to watch this whole video here and analyze each and every DIY videos that I have put in here. So we are going to have a couple of the travel videos as well as the DIY videos that I made, but you guys are going to focus only on the DIY videos and tell me in which video I made a mistake. And basically, when I was doing that project, so I made a mistake, not very serious mistake, but it's very funny, and you're going to have to watch the whole video and then see, not see, but find the mistake that I did in one of these DIY videos. And the winner of this challenge is going to get a shout out in my next video, as well as their comment pin on this video. I wish all of you good luck, and also thank you again for the support and love, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!